Hi, hey guys, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, welcome back. So, guys, see my phone is blank. It has already gone blank. I can't see anything again. I'll be going to Awka now. Let me go and know how much they are selling the screen of the phone, and I know if I will be repairing it today. Okay. It's well. This one that I'm using is not even clear at all, but you guys have to be managing it. Yeah, have to be managing it, okay? Because the main phone the screen is broken. So we have to be making use of this one that we have now, okay? All right, I'll be going to the market now to buy some things. Then I'll check for this phone screen. All right, that is just the update. Give the video a thumbs up and continue watching, okay? Manage manage this video. The camera is trying, it's trying, right? Okay, see you guys in my next clip.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, good morning guys. Welcome back. This is the next day. Oh, sorry. Good morning guys, welcome back. Okay, so I later went to the market yesterday, okay, but after I went to the market, I was not able to film anything. I didn't even film when I was in the market, okay. So about that, my phone screen, they don't have the original one in the market. It's the second one, the copy that they have, and which I wouldn't want to buy that copy one, as in the second one. I want the original one, but it was not in a Awka. I've checked that even my customer helped me and call some persons that that we have the original one, but they didn't have it. So there's this my hobby friend that stays in Lagos, and he deals in phone accessories, right? So I want hobby to call that his friend and tell him to help us buy I don't know if he will have it, but we ask him first. If he doesn't have it, then he will help us and buy from Lagos and review for us. That is the only option we have here, okay. All right, so this is the update for the phone. I'm still using my old phone. As you can see, it's not bright, it's not that, but we'll be managing. You guys should manage it for now, okay. But it is affecting me because I can't post. It's just filming and keeping here. I won't be editing it, I won't be posting it, because it's from that my main phone that everything is in. Everything, both editing app, my YouTube, everything is in that other phone. So this one is just for a recording, nothing again. I don't know how many days I'll stay without posting, but anytime you are seeing this video, just know that the days I was off, that my phone spoiled, the screen broke, okay. All right, today is Saturday and I want to go and wash toilet. I have 5 toilets to wash, 3 upstairs, 2 downstairs. So, and it's already 6 a.m. now. So I want to go and start washing it, okay. I don't know if I'll be I don't think I'll be carrying you guys along, I don't think. But anyhow, please give the video a thumbs up and continue watching, okay. All right, I've thought you guys in my next clip. See, it's still dark. Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm starting with my. I don't know why these people built this thing. Any water that pours on the ground now, any water that pours here, I have to clean it with mop. This is sufferness now. I don't know why they built this thing. Water can only go out from here and they divide the thing. Do you see it? So anyone that falls here as I'm washing the toilet, I'll have to make use of this mop. I've already added what is it called? Hypo. I added hypo downstairs when I went to bring the bucket because that one was downstairs. Okay. So let me clean this one. After this one, then my hobbies own and the rest. Alright. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, give the video a thumbs up and I'll continue watching. Guys, I'm done with washing my toilet and my hobbies on. So right now I want to wash my kids my kids toilet. Okay, let's do this. Let me show you guys. Okay, give the video a thumbs up and continue watching. Okay, all right.
You wake up in the morning and find your life is torn apart. There is sadness on your face, there is pain in your heart. But no matter what the enemy does, just remember this: no one can hide from the God of justice. He sees everything, and God knows everything. He knows everything. God knows all the pain that you're feeling. God knows all the tears you've been crying. God knows everything you're passing through. His love will carry you. He will not abandon you. God knows. God knows. He sees everything. And God knows everything. He knows everything. God knows all the pain that you're feeling. God knows all the tears you've been crying. God knows.
Guys, I'm done with the toilet. As you can see, I'm sweating. Do you see it? I'm sweating. See my clothes, sweat. My clothes is transparent. I would have showed you guys this heat, the sweat that is on the clothes. Okay, guys, I'm done washing the 5 toilets. Okay, I'll go ahead and wash some dishes. Yeah, there is some plate that I didn't wash yesterday night, which is because I'm very tired, because I don't like leaving plates on the sink. I don't like it at all, but I have to do it yesterday because I was so tired. Okay, so I'm going to wash it now. After washing it, I'll take my bed because sweat is too much. So after washing it, I will take my bed and know what is next. Okay, I won't be mopping today. That should be tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, so tomorrow I will. My baby is awake. So tomorrow I will mop some rooms. Okay, I'm not mopping everything at a time because the house is big, so I'm not mopping all of them at a time. I'll just mop 2, then tomorrow I mop another 2. That's how I do it. Okay, say hi. Say hi. I cut Favor's hair. Hmm? What did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. I cut her hair. My clothes is transparent. That's why I'm hiding myself. Okay, guys, let me go and wash this plate and take my bed. Then I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, give the video a thumbs up and continue watching. All right. Yeah. Say good morning.
Hi.
Say good morning. Hi guys. Good morning. Say good morning. Oh, she's saying bye. Okay, bye. I cut my baby's hair. She has not cut her hair since she was born, so I decided to cut it to use this opportunity and cut the hair. Because the one I relaxed has grown, as in new hair has grown under the relaxed hair. So I cut off the relaxed hair and leave the new ones that have grown. So as it's growing back now, we will start plaiting hair again. Okay, we start doing hair again, right? Favor, right? Say yes, baby. Say yes. I see the plate I will be washing. Okay, it's not big, and this just few plates. It's not much. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh my God. I'll go and close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Go and close the door. Door. Close door. You can't close it. Hey guys. Good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Welcome back. So guys, I just finished bathing my kids, and I've also taken my bath too. And my kids are already eating their food. They are downstairs, and me, I want to sleep. I want to rest a little while before I will know what is next. This is already after 1. Okay, so feeling sleepy. As I'm talking to you guys now, I'm feeling sleepy, so I need to rest, and when I wake up, I will know what is next. Work not the finish. Okay, give the video a thumbs up and continue watching. Okay, all right.
2,000 years later.
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Say good morning.
Hi
Hi guys.
Nana.
Nana,
Nana.
say good morning. Baby, say good morning.
Me.
Morning.
Me.
Morning. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back. How you guys doing? We are up. Today is Wednesday.
Mama. Yeah.
Right.
Bye. Bye.
What?
Hi.
Fine. Okay, guys, welcome back. Favor is telling you guys, welcome back. Guys, how you guys doing? We are up.
Me.
Guys, I've not been having this motivation to film since 2 days now. Although you won't notice because I have piled videos. So I'll be uploading, so you guys wouldn't notice it. I'm the person that know that I've not been filming for 2 days now, because you know my main phone, the screen is broken, so I'm not motivated, because I know after filming I will not edit and upload. But by the time you are seeing this video, the phone is already repaired. Okay, that's why you are seeing this video. Okay, Favor, I just want to know how you guys are doing. How you guys doing? I want to come back to my kids, okay? I'm cooking in the kitchen as usual. Oh, Favor now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mama. My baby is speaking Latin. Latin. Me self, I don't know what she was saying, but I think it's hi guys. That is all this thing that I'm saying. That is what she's repeating after me. Okay, that is what thought. Okay guys, let me go and continue with my cooking. Okay, I'll see you guys after betting my kids. All right, give the video a thumbs up and continue watching. My kids will be starting, their school will start next week Monday. Okay, yeah, they will be starting school next week Monday with Favor. Everybody. everybody. Favor, right? You are going to school? You'll be going to school. Okay. She said, hi, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe. That is what she said. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe. That is what she said. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Give the video a thumbs up and continue watching, okay? And continue managing our the video that I did with my old phone, okay? We'll be managing it. What is it? What? This is my baby. Okay, Nji. It's more ants. She saw ants. She's saying Jesus. Jesus. Hey, Nji. Big one. I say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, Jesus. I say bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Guys, I'm done with our rice. Do you guys remember this rice?
Coconut rice.
It's not coconut rice. So. This is pilau. Pilau, right? Pilau, Kenyan food. The one I cooked with sweet potato the other time.
Okay.
Yeah. Pilau. Kenyan jollof. No, Kenyan pilau, not jollof. What to Awka? They are awake.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first time you're
Shift Kavana full.
Subscribe and also share.
Okay, they will share.
Don't forget to share. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
And share.
It's okay. Guys, I want to feed Favor. Before I go and bed them. Okay, that is what I want to do now. This is our cereal, milk, and flask, hot water flask. Let me quickly wash her. Let me wash her plate and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, give the video a thumbs up and continue watching. Continue watching. Let me wash the plate. Do you know what this is, guys? Do you know this food? This is Awka, breadfruit. I cooked it 2 days ago, then put it in the freezer. So I just bring it out now and they're warm. I want to eat it as my breakfast stroke lunch. Yes,
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I can't finish this one. Yes, daddy. Nama, Favor. Mommy. How are you? Mommy. So guys, I just bring it out from the freezer and warm it. I want to eat it as my breakfast and lunch. Okay, I added goat meat. You know, all this part of meat that have a bone. Yeah, mixture of bone and meat. That and what is it called again?
Awka.
No, I'm not talking about the Awka. I'm talking about how I cooked it. I was not able to video when I was cooking it because I was busy. And moreover, I'm still using that my phone. So, you know. Until no not bone. Guys, as you can see, I put only 1 spoon here. I left 1 spoon here. And as I came back, I saw that the spoon has multiplied. And you know what that means? Everybody is eating. Favor, as if you will eat it.
Next spoon,
Guys, come on, eat. Oh, fuck, I did. You can clean them as ever.
I will want to know.
Mama, Favor, no jede. Favor, see your spoon. Favor, next spoon again. On your kunoka.
What one number can I would?
On what and get the laugh on you. Guys, come and eat.
Guys, come and eat. Also, was
Don't mind me and my kids.
Don't mind me, not me.
Subscribe.
Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and share.
I stop talking. Eat. So it's okay.
Yeah.
Eat.
Yeah.
Guys, come and join us.
Yeah. I love the Awka.
It's sweet. Delicious. Favor, yummy, yummy. Jike. Ejimanu. That is bone with meat. I'm going to get with dried fish.
Bone and meat. No.